Most people believe success begins in the morning. You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Wake up at 5 a.m. Start your day earlier than everyone else. Follow the perfect morning routine. But what if the most powerful moment of your entire day doesn't happen in the morning at all? What if it happens at 5 p.m.? Think about your typical day. From the moment you wake up until the late afternoon, most of your time isn't really yours. Your job controls your schedule. Your school controls your time. Your responsibilities demand your attention. Emails, meetings, deadlines. Tasks that need to be finished before the day ends. All day long, you're responding to other people's priorities. But then, something interesting happens. The clock hits 5 p.m., work ends, your schedule opens up, and for the first time all day, you get to decide what happens next. This is the quiet moment where life begins to split in two directions. Some people go home, grab their phone, open social media, and start scrolling. A few videos turn into an hour. One episode turns into 3. Before they know it, the evening disappears. Another day, gone. Nothing changed. But there's another group of people who treat this moment differently. After 5 p.m., they begin something most people ignore. They start learning, they read, they build ideas, they practice skills, they invest time into the person they want to become. While most of the world is relaxing, they are quietly building their future, because here's the truth many people don't realize. Your job might pay your bills, but what you do after 5 p.m. can completely change your life. The hours between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. are some of the most powerful hours in your entire day. And the difference between the life you have today and the life you want tomorrow might be hidden in what you choose to do after 5 p.m. Most people don't fail because they lack intelligence. They don't fail because they don't have opportunities, and they definitely don't fail because they don't have time. Most people fail for a much simpler reason. They slowly give away the most valuable hours of their day. The hours after 5 p.m. Think about what usually happens when the workday ends. You finally get home. You feel tired. Your brain feels drained. And you tell yourself something very normal. I deserve to relax for a while. So you sit down for just a few minutes, you open your phone, maybe you check social media, maybe you watch a short video, then another one, then another. Suddenly, 30 minutes pass, then an hour, then 2 hours. Before you realize it, the entire evening has disappeared. And the strange thing is, you don't even remember most of what you watched. This is how evenings quietly disappear for millions of people every single day, not because they are lazy, but because the world around them is designed to capture their attention. Social media platforms are designed to keep you scrolling. Streaming platforms are designed to keep you watching. Notifications are designed to keep pulling your focus back to your phone. Every evening becomes a loop of small distractions. And little by little, the time that could have changed your future gets replaced with comfort. Now imagine something different. Imagine someone who decides to protect just 2 or 3 hours of their evening, not the entire night, just a small part of it. Instead of endless scrolling, they decide to learn something valuable. Instead of random videos, they practice a skill. Instead of wasting time, they slowly build something meaningful. Those small decisions might not look impressive at first, but over time, they begin to add up. 2 hours a day becomes more than 700 hours in a year. And in 700 hours, a person can completely transform their life. Learn skills, create opportunities, build something that didn't exist before. The truth is simple. Your evenings are not just free time. They are hidden opportunities. And the people who understand this begin to separate themselves from everyone else. Because while most people are ending their day, A few people are quietly starting their future. There's something interesting you'll notice when you study successful people. At first, they don't look very different from everyone else. They have the same 24 hours, the same responsibilities, the same problems. Many of them even started with normal jobs, regular schedules, regular paychecks, regular lives. So if they started in the same place as everyone else, what changed? The answer is surprisingly simple. They used their evenings differently. While most people treat the time after work as a signal to completely shut down, successful people treat it as a chance to move forward, not in a dramatic way, not with huge, exhausting effort, but with small, focused steps. After 5 p.m., they begin working on something that belongs to them, something connected to their future. Maybe they start learning a skill that can open new doors. Maybe they work on a small business idea. Maybe they write, create, design, build, or study. At first, the progress looks small. One evening of learning doesn't change a life. One evening of effort doesn't create success. But something powerful happens when those evenings start to stack together. One evening becomes a habit. One habit becomes progress. And progress, repeated long enough, becomes transformation. Think about it this way. If someone spends just 2 hours every evening improving themselves, in 1 year, that's more than 700 hours of growth. 700 hours of learning. 700 hours of building something meaningful. 700 hours of becoming a stronger, smarter version of yourself. Most people never reach that level of growth because they underestimate the power of small daily actions. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, the perfect burst of motivation. But successful people understand something different. They don't wait for the perfect moment. They create progress in the quiet hours most people ignore, and those quiet evening hours slowly become the foundation of everything they achieve. But understanding this idea is only the beginning. Because knowing that evenings are powerful and actually using them well are two very different things. And this is where most people get stuck. Because even when someone wants to change their evenings, they often don't know where to start. Many people reach a moment where they realize something important. They realize their evenings are powerful. They realize those hours could change their future. But then, a question appears. What should I actually do after 5 p.m.? Because after a long day, your energy is not the same as it was in the morning. Your brain feels slower. Your motivation feels lower. And if your plan is too complicated, your mind will choose the easiest option: comfort. That's why most people fail when they try to change their evenings. They make huge plans. They say things like, I'll study for 3 hours. I'll work on 10 different things. I'll completely change my life starting today. But a few days later, the plan collapses. Not because they're weak, but because the plan was unrealistic. The people who truly change their evenings follow a much simpler approach. They focus on one meaningful activity. Just one. Something small enough to start, but powerful enough to create growth. Maybe it's learning a skill. Maybe it's reading books that expand your thinking. Maybe it's building a project step by step. Maybe it's improving your health. The exact activity is not the most important part. Consistency is. One focused hour every evening may not feel life-changing today. But imagine that hour repeated for 6 months or for an entire year. Skills begin to grow. Confidence begins to grow. Opportunities begin to appear. And suddenly, the person you are becoming starts to look very different from the person you were before. This is the hidden power of small evening habits. They look ordinary in the moment, but over time, they quietly build an extraordinary future. And once someone experiences this kind of progress, something interesting happens. Evenings stop feeling like empty time. They start feeling like opportunities waiting to be used. But there is still one final shift that turns ordinary evenings into something truly powerful. a shift that changes how you see every single day. And once you understand this mindset, your evenings will never feel the same again. There is a simple mindset that separates people who change their lives from people who stay exactly where they are, and it usually appears in a very quiet moment. Right after the workday ends, most people reach that moment and think one thing: I'm tired. I just want to relax. And that thought is completely normal. Everyone feels it. But the people who eventually build something meaningful ask themselves a slightly different question. Instead of asking, how can I escape the day? They ask, what small thing can I do today that my future self will thank me for? Notice something important here. They don't ask how to change their entire life tonight. They don't expect a huge breakthrough. They focus on something small, something realistic. Maybe learning one concept, maybe improving one skill, maybe making one step forward on an idea they believe in. One evening of progress may not seem important, but when that progress repeats again and again, it begins to shape a completely different life. Think about it. One evening of growth feels small. 10 evenings start to build momentum. 50 evenings create visible change. 300 evenings can transform a person. This is how ordinary people slowly become extraordinary. Not through sudden success, not through luck, but through hundreds of quiet decisions nobody else sees. While the world is distracted, they are slowly improving. While others are escaping their evenings, they are investing in them. And over time, those investments begin to compound. Skills become stronger. Confidence becomes deeper. New opportunities start appearing in places that once seemed impossible. Eventually, people look at their success and think it happened suddenly. But the truth is very different. It was built one evening at a time, one focused decision repeated again and again. And once you begin thinking this way, something powerful happens. Every evening starts to feel like a chance to move closer to the life you truly want. But there is still one final realization that brings everything together. Because understanding the power of evenings is one thing, but choosing to protect those hours every single day is what truly changes everything. Every single day, the clock reaches 5 p.m. For most people, it simply means the day is over. Work is finished. Responsibilities slow down. The evening begins. But hidden inside this moment is a quiet decision. A decision most people don't even notice they're making. Because every evening presents two very different paths. The first path is easy. You go home, sit down, pick up your phone, and start scrolling. A few videos, a few posts, maybe a TV show. It feels harmless, comfortable, relaxing. But evening after evening, that same routine slowly turns into something bigger. Days pass, weeks pass, months pass, and life begins to look exactly the same as it did before. The second path looks much smaller in the beginning. Instead of giving the entire evening away, you decide to protect a small part of it. Just 1 hour. 1 hour to learn something new. 1 hour to build a skill. 1 hour to move a dream forward. It doesn't feel dramatic. It doesn't feel like a life-changing moment. But the truth is, most life-changing moments never feel dramatic when they begin. They feel small, quiet, almost invisible. But those small decisions begin to stack together. One evening becomes a habit. One habit becomes progress, and progress slowly begins to change who you are becoming. Skills grow. Confidence grows. Opportunities begin to appear, not because you suddenly became different, but because you started respecting the hours most people ignore. And over time, those hours quietly reshape your future. Years later, people may look at your success and wonder how it happened. They may think it was luck, or timing, or talent. But deep down, you will know the truth. It began with a simple choice, a choice made at the same time, every single day, the moment the clock reached 5 p.m. And the question that moment asks you is simple. When your day ends, will your evening disappear? Or will it begin building the life you truly want?